From some trusted websites say that rice water can not only help with hair growth but also with shine and volume. So I tried to use fermented rice water for my hair twice a week in 5 months, and here is the result. So now I want to share how to make rice water and also how to use it. 1½ cup of white rice and 6 cups of water. Bring to a boil, then heat down, simmer for 8 minutes. Strain rice water into another bowl and let cool. Please don't burn yourself. Now, how to use it. Take 2 bowls to the shower with you, one with rice water, one to catch runoff. With my head upside down, I'll pour rice water over hair while catching runoff into bowl below me. Massage and squish in. I'll repeat this alternating bowls about 5 times and put on a shower cap. Leave on for 20 minutes, rinse and deep condition with a thermal cap for an additional 20 minutes. Moisture or protein balance, rinse DC, and style as usual. Facts about rice water for hair. Rice water contains rice protein, which plumps up the hair cuticle. In the same way rice expands when you cook it in water, it expands in your hair, making it appear healthier and more voluminous. Fermented rice water is acidic, and when you rinse your hair with it, it restores and balances the pH of your hair. Rice water contains inositol, which is carbohydrate that helps strengthen elasticity and reduce surface friction.